I just bought this truck. It was about a 6-hour drive to go get it. It's a 1942 Ford Cabover. They made these from 1940 to 47. This truck was sitting on a farm and the guy started working on it 25 years ago and quit. He took the cab off the original chassis and put it on this 3/4 ton van chassis. It's a 4-wheel drive chassis. It's in pretty good shape. It does have some rust down in the lower belt line and the lower door. One of the coolest features of these trucks is the windshields pop open. They're stuck right now, but these slides are supposed to go up a little bit and push both windshields out, which is kind of the air conditioning of back in the day. There's a 351 motor in here that he didn't know anything about. I'm sure it's stuck by now. These Cabovers are pretty hard to find, and this 42 is pretty rare. People like them because of the jail bar grill. See, it's missing the center bar. But normally these got these cool little blinkers underneath the headlights. Normally those are broke. And on this truck, both of them are on there, so it's a bonus. Also, I did get a title for it, which is kind of rare. This guy that I got it from kept all his titles for his vehicles. He had a collection of tractors and a few old Fords, but this is the only one I bought because the other trucks were all modified too much. His plan was to put a rollback or a wedge type ramp on the back, and then he could haul his tractors around to the tractor shows. But he's one of those guys that got too many projects, so it's pretty hard to finish one when you got 20 cars to build. There's nearly no paint left on it. It's pretty much all patina or surface rust covered. Well, it's time to get it unloaded. I'll have to air up the tires and roll it off the back. The tires are so flat it doesn't even roll.